Hello again from Car Key Solutions and OGS Mechanics Workshop. Today a topic about Ghost Immobiliser. We've got so many videos about Ghost Immobiliser, but I think the more we look into the subject, the more questions arise. So probably if you heard about Ghost, what you heard about it is Ghost 2. But what is Ghost 1? Did you heard about Ghost 1? Probably not. Ghost becomes more and more popular since, I don't know, about 2 years ago. Last year, it's been started being one of the products that insurers are demanding before they have cover on the vehicle. This is same in the case here. That we've got this S-Class that we install a Ghost. Now, the subject is, what is Ghost 2? What is Ghost 1? Ghost 1 is the first device that came on the market and was launched by Autowatch around 2015. In theory, it's pretty much same technology, so it is exactly same thing. So it's no longer on the market, but it was before. Obviously, Ghost 2 is an evolution of the Ghost 1, and the main difference, although they were doing exactly the same thing, the main difference is that the Ghost 2, it has an app on the phone, and that's how it looks like. And this app basically gets connected with a Ghost on the car, and as soon as the phone comes in the proximity of the vehicle, it will disable the Ghost. So the purpose of this is convenience. So you just have to have your phone in your pocket, you come close to the car, no need to insert buttons as you do if there's no app present to disable the Ghost. You just get into the car, start normally, you don't have to do anything else. It offers a lot of convenience. However, there is a slight downside with it, and I'll tell you exactly what it is. Basically, this connection, this type of connection, is a Bluetooth connection, and the range of communication is about 5 to 10 meters in a straight line. However, if there are walls, this distance gets significantly reduced. And why I'm highlighting this, because if you think about it, if you have the car parked on your driveway and you've got your phone in the living room and the app is turned on, the phone will disable the Ghost when you don't want to. So this is a very important aspect when I highlight it to the customers, that you have to pay attention where is parked overnight and where is your phone if they are in proximity. Now, obviously, there is a way you can turn the app off. You can turn it off and then you'll stop the communication. So it's always very, very important, if you choose this way to disable the Ghost, to make sure that the Ghost won't be disabled when you're not close to the car. Very important, because otherwise it's going to defeat the purpose. We strongly recommend, as the better option is to always use the keypad, the buttons inside the car, to disable the Ghost. But if you are a driver that goes inside the vehicle and start the engine about, I don't know, 10-15 times a day, it becomes a bit inconvenient that every time putting the code. So the phone will offer this convenience. You don't have to do this procedure. You just get in the car and drive off. So this is the main aspect, the main difference between Ghost 2 and Ghost 1, the phone connectivity, which the Ghost 1 didn't. So it is convenience, kind of drops a bit the level of security. It is an option, so it is there if you want to use it. We just have to learn exactly how it works and the downside of it. I hope this video helps to understand a bit even more this top-of-the-range vehicle security product. If you like to know more about it, you have questions that we might not have answered as yet, please drop them in a comment below. Get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to assist and advise. Yeah.